Right, missing him going to his Easter basket. Ow.
What's in there? What's in there, Timmy? What you got?
Oh, what's the name?
You just want
You
to
want
dig
chocolate? You're not a child.
Timmy.
Hope you're going back in for the chocolate. Mommy will just take that.
Aww, he's such a sweetie. Hey, Timmy. Can you say hi? Hi, Timmy. Hey, sweet pumpkin. Hello, big boy. Hello, big boy. Hi. Say bye-bye.
Tim, you can't go in the laundry room. Tim.
How's his walking?
Oh, pretty good. He'll run all over the place.
Gosh.
But if he does not want to walk, he will not walk.
Hey, Timmy.